Hello viewers, today I am going to tell you how to crop the image in Python. First of all, you have to import the pillow package for image, and then you have to define the function crop, in which first attribute is image path, then coordinates of the image, and then the saved location where you want to save the cropped image. Then you have to create a variable image object equals to image open image path. Now you have to give the path of the image which you want to crop and open it into the variable image object. Then make a variable cropped image where you have to crop the image, where you have to give the coordinate of the image to crop uh, a portion which you won't want. You remove from your picture, and the coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2. There are 4 coordinates, and crop the image save. Now you want to this image to save in some location. Uh, so give the location where you want to save. Cropped image show. Now you show the image which is cropped by you, and then show it. Save it and show it. Then now you have to call this function crop from the main. So here write if name equals to main, image equals to pankhuri.jpg. I have given a name of this picture which I want to crop. Then I give the image crop. Then I call the function crop by giving the attributes of that function, that is image equals to pankhuri.jpg, which will go in this attribute parameter, and then 4 coordinates of the picture 10, 150, 600 and 960 I have given. Then pankhuri c is for crop dot jpg. I have given the cropped picture name, then it will crop the picture. So let run it and see the cropped picture. This is the picture uh, where the background is cropped by me. If you want to see the original picture, then you can see it by seeing the project detail and tool which you are using for the project. Here you will see the picture Pankhuri. This is the picture. I cropped the background of this picture and showing you the cropped picture, that is done by cropping. Suppose you want to crop another picture. For that you have to go to the folder where you will take the picture. How you will take this picture? Um, go to the folder where you have stored the picture. So take the picture from this place and cropped it. Suppose I want to crop this one or take another one. Suppose this one. I want to crop this picture. View all photo. Here I will save it from name of following. Adjust and save. Save a copy. Done. Now take this picture by, or this is the small one, take this one, Modi, copy it, Control C, and put it into the folder where you have stored the project cropping. Here I will save this picture, Modi, and this is a PNG picture, so it won't work. So save it into form of save as JPG. So taking, save it into Control C, and then go to this one where you paste it, file, paste from ModiG, open, and then save it into JPG form, file, save as JPG form, save. Now you save this one, and you find this the ModiG JPG. It's not came here, so again go there and save it. File, save as, go to the project folder, SUS, and then project, iChunk, cropping, where you save this Modi G, then save it. Then go to the project where you have your Modi Ji came here. So now you change the program code. For that you have to go main, and here you change Modi Ji and Modi Ji crop. Clear? Now first of all you show this picture and run it and find out what it is doing, and then change the coordinate of the picture. Just run it and find out the coordinate. This is cutting the picture, so you have to change the coordinate. That means from top you have to remove only, here you have to remove 50, x start from 50 and from 600, and this should be a 400. Just try it and run. This time it is coming, so you have to cut this portion and this portion. So change the coordinate again. Here you have to say 150 and 400. This is the x coordinate, and y coordinate should be a 200. Now run again it. Now you are getting the picture, but the Modi picture has deleted. So make it 20, and this coordinate should be 360, and then run. Now the full picture of Modi ji is came. You have to remove this portion and from top and left. So do it from top. X should be a 30, from left. This should be a 200, and from bottom it is 380, 380, 340. Now run it again. You will get a proper picture. You can either delete from up, so make it 40 or 50 and then run it. Now you get the proper picture of Modi ji. So this way you can crop any picture according to your requirement. And this is all today. I show you how to crop the picture in Python. And there is many more manipulation in Python. If you want to learn, please comment on this video. I will tell you. Thank you viewers. This is all today.